What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Detached Garage. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Sean, and this channel is all about helping you guys plan, design, build, and upgrade your garage. If that sounds interesting to you and you want to see more awesome garages all over the world, please consider hitting that subscribe button. On today's episode, we are getting into the vision board and we are taking some things down and checking it off. If you haven't seen the vision board episode, I'll link it right up here in the YouTube card. Let's get to it. Welcome back, guys. Again, thanks for tuning in to this episode, a super exciting day at Detached Garage. We are taking stuff off the vision board and we are checking other things off. So in a future episode, we will put more back up on the board, but today is the day to take stuff off and check those goals off. So first one we're checking off, I should have done this a while ago, the Detached Garage YouTube channel. So the goal, 4,000 hours viewed, 1,000 subscribers, and 10,000 views. We are checking off two of these items. We are checking off 4,000 hours viewed and 10,000 views. We are still on our way to 1,000 subscribers, but overall, getting those other two checked off is a great start, and I really appreciate it to getting more awesome garages all over the world. The more people we can reach, the more people we can get to know, the more awesome garages that can be built all across the world and upgraded all across the world. So that is step one. Thank you guys so much for this. I really appreciate it. Now, let's get into the next one. Big news, and this one is a car. We are getting a Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. So we have put a deposit down on a Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. We're still working out the final paperwork, but this will be my wife's vehicle. She only has about a 10-minute drive to work in the morning, so this is perfect. She will basically never have to turn on the gas engine. We can start charging this vehicle in the future through the solar panels that will be installed once the garage is built. So excited to get this in the fleet and upgrade the garage to help accommodate a plug-in electric vehicle. We are taking this off of the vision board. It is done. Well, it's not done yet, it still has to get delivered, but for the most part, it is done. Except for the paperwork, we still got to sign that, but for the most part, it is done. Very interested to see what kind of content you guys want to see about this vehicle. Do you want to see a vlog of us picking it up? Do you want to see an overview and the features and benefits and specs of the vehicle? Let us know down in the comments below. I can't thank you guys enough for continuing to grow our influence here and hopefully allow us to get more awesome garages all across the world. Thank you guys for dreaming with me and being able to check one of these dreams off the list to get the wife an awesome vehicle. She's going to be super excited about that. And then thank you guys just so much for all the direct messages, all the comments, all the guidance on what kind of content you guys want to see. I'm going through this journey to build my garage, and I'm so happy I get to take you guys along for the ride, even though it's kind of stalled and even though it's kind of frustrating at times. You guys get to learn from my mistakes, you get to follow along, and you get so many good ideas for what you guys want to do with your garage builds and your upgrades. So that's the end of the episode. Thank you guys so much for everything. Please tune in next week for the next episode. I've been promising it for 2 weeks now. It'll be building in stages, how to build your garage and help spread out that cash flow a little bit. That will be an awesome episode. I've got some really good content coming in from some experts, so that'll be the next episode out. Thank you guys for watching Detached Garage.